let's look at this. A particle P starts to move from O and travels in a straight line. At time t second after P starts to move, its velocity is given by 0. V equals 0.12 t minus 0.0006. So you have triple zero there. Okay, 0.0006 t square. Okay, number one, verify that P comes to instantaneous rest when t equals to 200 and find the acceleration with which it starts to return towards O. Find the maximum speed of P from between 0 to 200, between the value of t 0 to 200, or basically what they're trying to say is from the time 0 to 200 second, what is the maximum speed. Okay, find the maximum between this time, and then also find the displacement of P from O when t equals to 200. So on the 200 second, what is the distance that it has traveled. And the last one, find the value of t when P reaches O. So when it comes back, or at the point when it comes back to O, what is the value of t? So how many seconds that it took? Okay, so let's do this one by one. You gotta be very careful with all the information that we have. It's not a difficult question. It is a doable one, but you gotta be very careful with all the information that we have. Okay, let's do. So V is given as 0.12 t minus 0.0006 t square. Okay, verify P comes to instantaneous rest when t equals to 200. So all you have to do, just sub your value 0.12 200 minus 0.0006 and then 200 square, and use your calculator. You should get your value as 0. Okay, so 0.12 times 200 okay, 0.0006 times 200 square. Okay, so basically what I've got here was 200. This is 24, and this is also 24, and your answer is 0. Next, part 2. Okay, this is part 1. So that verifies that it comes to an instantaneous rest, okay, when t equals to 200. Okay, so this is 24. Okay, next, find the maximum speed of P between the time 0 to 200. Okay, whenever the question says maximum speed or maximum velocity, remember when you're driving your car on a highway, okay, you can only go to a certain speed. Okay, your car can only do a certain speed. Let's say your car hits 140 and that's it. Even if you put your foot down, your car is not speeding anymore. And if you look at your speedometer, if it shows 140, that's the maximum speed. When there's a maximum speed, that's the speed that you are going, and there's no acceleration. Acceleration is 0. Okay, because you can't go anymore. Although you put your foot down, you can't go anymore faster than that. So differentiate V, you get A. So differentiating V is 0.12 minus 0.0012 t, and since there's no acceleration when you reached your maximum speed, 0.12 minus 0.0012 t is equals to 0. So from there, 0.12 you divide by 0.0012 to find your t, and t is 100. So on the 100th second, the particle reached the maximum speed. Okay, next. Okay, so now we have the value at which second that it has reached the maximum speed. So find what is the value of velocity. So v equals to 0.12 times by 100 minus 0.0006 times by 100 square, and the answer is 12 minus 6, which is 6 meters per second. Okay, that's part 2. that's part 2. Next, part 3. Okay, find the displacement of P from O when T equals to 200. Okay, displacement S equals to integrating V. We don't have S here, so let's integrate V. So when I integrate V, I get 0.12 T minus 0.0006 T squared, which is 0.12 T over 2 and then minus 0.0006 T cubed over 3 plus C. Okay, so when I do that, when T equals to 200, okay, S equals to 0.12, 200 square over 2 minus 0.0006 200 cubed over 3 plus C. Okay, and we didn't find what is C here. Okay, what is C? If you look at it, the question says time only starts after P starts to move. Okay, so at the point O, T equals 0, so S equals to 0. Okay, T equals 0, S equals 0. So if I sub T here, okay, so S equals 0, so therefore C is also 0. Okay, so from there I get S equals to, so C is 0, so I'm going to erase this. Okay, we can discard this. Okay, so S equals to 0.12, so cancel all that, blah blah blah. What I have here is 0.06 times by 200 square minus, so that's 0.0002 200 cube, and the answer is 2400 minus 1600, and the answer is 800 meters. Okay, finally, last but not least, okay, find the value of T when P reaches O again. Okay, when P reaches O again. When P reaches O again, remember S equals to 0. So basically there's no displacement. You go forward and then you're back again to the point where you started. So there's no displacement. So S equals to 0. So what do we have for S? S equals to 0.06 or 0.12 T square over 2 minus 0.0006 over 3 T cubed. Okay, and this is 0. Okay, because it goes back. So I'm going to multiply this by times 2 times 2 times 2, so 0 equals to 0.36 T square minus 0.0012 T cubed over 6, so 0.36 T square minus 0.12 T cubed equals 0. So take out T square, what's left here? Here is 0.36 minus 0.0012 T. Okay, I'll continue here. Okay, so from there, T equals to 0.36 divided by 0.0012. Okay, and the answer is T equals to 300 seconds.